faith is a stronghold. My redeemer, ever giver, the one who never was a struggle. Jesus Christ, oh another. My Savior, my Lord and giver. I will bless him. He's amazing. There is no one like him. I said, mighty, mighty, mighty God. One who makes barren women mothers. Mighty, mighty, mighty God. Who is able to open eyes for the blind.
Open the eyes.